What's up, guys? It's your girl Dark Angel here today. We are going to be unboxing Miniverse Make It Mini Cafe. Let's get into it. The perfect peel that never happens. Alright, let's open the top and see what we've got inside. As always, I like to set our books aside so we can keep it a surprise till the end. So we've got a little paper here that says snack time. Our first baggie. We've got some Happy Sun Farms mixed fruit, oranges, grapes, and strawberries. Right. Our next baggie, some kind of utensils. Looks like we've got some skewer sticks. Okay. Our next utensil baggie. We've got our good old tweezers and the little top to our ball. Pop that on. There we go. All right, next bag. We've got a little wooden stand of sorts. Okay. We've got 2 bags left here, so let's go for this pink one. We have some little animal head type things. I don't know how to pronounce that there. All right. Oops. Also, sorry about my voice. I am currently fighting a cold. All right, and our last baggie, we have some liquid sugar, which will be our UV resin. And our little resin top lid. Alright guys, so let's get our book back out and see what we've got. Alright, so it looks like we unboxed the Tonghulu, I believe it is pronounced, so there it is there. And you can check us out in the next video where we will be making the Tonghulu. We'll see you then.